Hello, good day and welcome to Hands-in Money Making class. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how you can actually be able to use Dafribank to do your deposit and to do your withdrawal, whether you're using a personal account or you're using a business account. And then also do not forget that with Dafribank you can also be able to send money from here to Ghana, from here to from Nigeria to South Africa, and then other countries are available there. So without much ado, let's get straight down into business. But before we proceed, please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscription button and then do not forget to hit the notification bell. So let's see what Dafribank has to offer us. So in the previous videos, you've actually been able to see how to open your account and then how to go about the various other things. So here is what we are simply going to do. Whether you go to home or you click on overview, you still have the same thing. So the first thing we'll be looking at here is deposit. So we click on deposits. Okay, so we are going to see the various means of deposit. Now we have bank transfer, debit card, Ozo, bank agent, and cryptocurrency. So the first thing you need to do, you need to write in the amount that you want to deposit into your account. You need to write the amount you want to. So let's say 100 USD, and then you have to touch this place that's here. Any of them, you touch them, you touch them, you touch them. So I've chosen bank transfer, and then you go down and then you click on add funds. So once you add your funds, you click on add funds. Please take note that there is a reference number, and the purpose of this reference number is basically so that when you're doing your deposits on your bank, you put it there and they can actually be able to credit your account for you. Everything it's done manually for the now. So I want to show you the various banks available for bank transfer. We can actually see that South Africa is there. That's one. And then Absa is for South Africa. Standard Bank also there, also for South Africa. Then we also have FNB. This is actually for Botswana. So then we have Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank. Let's see Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is actually for Nigeria. So it then means that those in Nigeria can actually be able to do a deposit into the account using bank transfer, and this is the account number. So if you want to do a deposit, you simply go over here and then you press and hold and you copy the details, so you know it's Zenith Bank you're making payments to. Now usually when you click on your payment option that you want, you touch it, you touch the bank. I've touched Zenith Bank, and then I touch the little black box here. So let me show you an example. Because you've highlighted the bank, it doesn't mean so. You have to touch the black button, the white box or black box, and then once you're done, you click on submit. Take note that you're going to write this reference number in your transaction details. If you don't write it there, your account will likely not be credited. So Dafribank does not want you to make use of a brother or sister's account to do a deposit. They want you to actually deposit using your own account number. So if your name is Fred John, ensure that the account number you're paying with actually bears what? Fred John. Ensure your account number actually bears Fred John as a name, and also ensure to include your reference number in your transaction details. Please take note that this your reference number is your account number on Dafribank, and it is static. It does not change. It's still the same one. So I'll click copy here. So it helps me copied, and then I'll go over to Zenith Bank because I'm in Nigeria. Oh no, I just made a mistake. Okay, so now it tells me that manual deposit step 1 success, step 2 copy your reference number and your banking details and deposit within the next 60 minutes. Now please remember that deposits made without your Dafribank account as a reference will not be credited. So you can actually be able to see that. So that's actually awesome. And though I've already created a deposit, now I'll be able to see this, but I'm not making payments. That's why I actually said I made a mistake, because I didn't want to make any payments. So you go to your bank, you do a bank transfer to the Zenith Bank account number. Please try not to make mistake. Remember, the Zenith account number is different from your reference number, so don't make mistake with that. So if you are having issues, I'll show you again. Let's go back. So you click on bank transfer. Okay, I have to write in the amounts. So I click maybe $10, and then I click bank transfer, click on add funds. So you go over to the bank you want to transfer the money into, you click here, then you view the bank details, and then you copy. So once you copy the account number, you go to your bank, you paste, and you will see Dafri Group's Technology as the name of the bank. So you make your payments there, just like you can see here, Dafri Technologies Limited. So once you make your payment, you're good. So maybe usually in the morning time, maybe between 6, 7, 8, or if you do any deposit before early hours of the morning or the previous day, by 6, 7, 8, 9, your money actually comes in. So because I told you it's processed manually. So the next thing I want to show you, we've seen how to do a deposit using bank transfer. The next thing I want to show you is how to, okay, now for debit card, credit cards, let's see if it's actually working. Now, okay, I have to write in the amounts. So you click on debit credit card and you click on add funds. So you can see it's coming soon, so it has not yet been activated, so you cannot deposit with your credit card. And then we have the also instant EFT, but this method actually for those in South Africa. So let's see what it says. It says, so let's see, I've touched it, it's black now, and then say it's currently support only ZAR currency. So but my currency is basically in USD, so you can see that's why it's not going to work. But for those actually in South Africa, the ones who will make use of that, then we have bank agents. Okay, before I come to bank agent, let me show you on cryptocurrencies. So you click on add funds. So you click on add funds, and it seems like you must have above $50 for you to use cryptocurrency. So, and basically because they actually have gas fees and all that, so you need to put all that into consideration. So the next thing we can actually see here is the various cryptocurrencies you can use in depositing: USDT, ERC20, of BEP220 for those who are using Binance, and then we have Ethereum. If you want to deposit Ethereum, you want to deposit Cake, it's all on you. BUSD, it's all on you. And then you enter your blockchain URL. This is your transaction hash. So after you've done you've made a payment, look for your transaction ID and then paste it, that it can be easily seen, and then your account can be credited. So this is for cryptocurrencies deposits. So once you're done, you click on submit down there, and then you progress with, you click on submit down there, here, click on submit. So let's see the for payment agents. So for payment bank agents, you click on add fund. If I've selected bank agents, you click on add fund. So I want to do $100 deposit. Sorry. Click on bank agents and then add funds. So here you'll be able to see the various payment agents. I will actually recommend, for those of you in Nigeria and Ghana, I will recommend someone here who I know is trustworthy and is quite good. So his name is Henry Adigo. So try chat him up before you make any payments. At least if you're making use of any payment agent to do a deposit or to do a withdrawal, always ensure you call them ahead of time to know if they can actually be able to deliver the amount that you want to at that particular point in time. And also take note that they have a percentage that they charge. You can see Grigor Hinkle is 5%, Henry Adigo is 7%, and Kwame Tenkoran is actually 6%. So you can actually be able to see the various agent fees and how much they actually charge for their withdrawal. So, and then they also give you their exchange rates, the exchange rate that they actually have. So the next thing you would need to look at, okay, so let's see on deposits. So the minimum that Henry actually charges is $10. So it means if you want to deposit, and it's good, that's why I said you should actually ask, so that you know what the agents, and then when you click on, you'll be able to see what he supports: bank transfer, Momo, and any other available means. So this is what Henry Adigo actually charges. So if you see here, you can see he has 755, and he accepts cryptocurrencies, PayPal, barter transfers, and mobile money. That's what he actually accepts. So let's see this other person for Lesotho, 150 ZAR, and you see this is how much the person has. Echo Cash is what she makes use of. So let's see. So his minimum deposit is also $10. So with this, you've seen how to deposit. So once you click on deposit, you notify the agents, and you see here is get direction, but you call the person and you tell them how much you want to deposit. You send the money to the person, and the person will credit your account. Now, for you to get credited with a payment agent, what you simply need to do for you to get credited with a payment agent, you can also be able to copy the account number or the email. So you see copied, and then you can contact the person on WhatsApp or on WhatsApp. So and then he credits your account. So for him to be able to credit your account, all you simply need to do is you need to send your email address that you use in registering on Dafribank, or you can also send your account number, the reference number that usually you would have used when making bank transfer. So what you simply do is you copy it and then you send it to him. You copy it and then you send it to him, and then so he can be able to credit your account for you. So let's talk about withdrawal. I will talk about payment agent withdrawal before I go ahead to talk about the other means of withdrawal, and I will tell you the do's and don'ts. So you write in the amount you want to withdraw. I'll write in $100 here. This is what I want to withdraw, and then you choose your bank agent. So you choose your bank agent. You can notice that Ozo is not here because basically it's for those in South Africa. So you click on withdraw. So you're taken to, now it tells me I have insufficient funds. So once you choose withdraw, instantly the agent will receive a notification, but it's best you also call the agent or you chat him up on WhatsApp and tell him, please, I want to place a withdrawal for $1,000 or $500 and all that. So you tell him, and then it gives you his percentage, and then you can actually be able to proceed with that. So once that is done, it's quite simple and very straightforward. The agent receives your money. If he accepts your withdrawal, the agent actually has the ability to accept your withdrawal or decline your withdrawal. So the moment he accepts your withdrawal, you're good to go. He will then fund your payment method, be it Momo, bank transfer, whatever alternative it is that you're offering, or the alternative he has available for you. So that's the way you will actually be able to withdraw. Now for bank transfer, you click on withdraw. For bank transfer, you can be able to add your bank details there. Maybe you're in Nigeria, they'll ask you to add your account number and then maybe the branch code. You can actually be able to get the branch code by searching online for it. For FNB in South Africa, usually your payment should be processed in the space of 1 hour or less, or maybe 30 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes to 2 hours if you're making use of FNB Bank. If you're using other banks, it would actually take about 2 days. So, but that's for bank transfer. One of the reasons why agent is good, that agent is almost instant, so you don't have to wait for too long before the money actually scales through. So debit cards are not even available. So for withdrawals, they are not available for withdrawals. So for cryptocurrencies, you can actually be able to withdraw through crypto. But please take note that you'll be charged about 26 to 29% when withdrawing through crypto. irrespective of the coin that you choose, whether you choose USDT, whether you choose BNB, whether you choose TRX, you will be charged about 24% when using cryptocurrency to withdraw. But you can also be able to use an agent if you want to deposit with cryptocurrency. So you can send the money. The agent will actually give you his address on crypto, and then you can be able to make your withdrawal to him. So you deposit with cryptocurrency, and then he funds your Dafribank account. So with this, you can be able to process your withdrawal. So I want to show you. I told you before that you can actually be able to get. Okay, let's see what this private bank is all about. Though for now it's not functional on Dafribank, but they tell you you have a relationship manager you can actually be able to talk to. But still remember that you can be able to have access to your statements of account if you have actually made payment or received payment and all that. So you can see this transaction I did for deposit. It's already here and it's pending. So you can see it's actually pending. And take note that usually you would have received a mail as regards your payment. So here's the reference ID. Yeah, and all that. Here you can be able to see it. So this pending. I haven't made that payment, and after a while they're going to cancel the payment to this particular. They will send me a mail telling me payment didn't go through. So so with all this you can be able to, if you want to see maybe you go over to, now for transfer. So what you simply do is you want to send money to someone, you type in the person's email address and then the amount that you want to send to the person, maybe $10. You send in $10 to the person, and then maybe you could write a note if you want for food allowances. So you can click on send copy of proof. Now once you do this, the name of the client who you're sending the money to, it reflects. I told you this account number also reflects. Now if you have the person's account number, you can also use the person's account number, and once you do, you click on to confirm. Now if it's in a different currency, there will actually be a conversion, and Dafribank is going to tell you how much the conversion is going to be. So let's see, I want to use account number instead of email address. So let's see, account number, I put in $10, and then I click on send copy of the proof to the person. But before I proceed with this, let me show you something again. Let me just inform you about this. When sending money, take note that Dafribank will charge you about 2% when sending money to somebody, or maybe 2 to 3%. So if they tell you insufficient balance, it then means you need to reduce the amount to accommodate for the fees. So you can simply go to your calculator, and calculate. I will show you that in a jiffy. So you say with the account number, the person's name comes out and the amount, and you click confirm. So if they are charging 2% and you want to send let's say $100 to somebody, how do you go about that? So this is what you're simply going to do. $100 times, I'm going to assume the fee is 3%, so you do 0.03. This is actually 3.3%. So if it is 4%, it's 0.04. If it's 2%, 0.02, and then you click equal to, you can see you're actually having 3. So it then means that they're going to charge you $3. So as your fee, if the percentage is 3%, so you subtract the $3 from 100, and then you get 97. It then means that you can actually be able to send $97 out of your $100, and then 3% will be taken as the fees on Dafribank. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to I think I've basically covered everything you need to know about doing a transfer from one person that's using Dafribank to another person. Withdrawal means you're withdrawing to your bank account. Then so if you want to send money to someone else, you can actually deposit the money on your Dafribank account, send to an agent, and tell the agent to pay someone else in another country after deducting his fees. That's the first one, and he'll give you his rate. On the other side, you can tell someone else
when you want to receive money, you can tell the person to open a Dafribank account, and the person sends the money to you using the agent, and it gives your account details. So whichever way it is you want to do it, you have to contact the agent. The choice is all yours. So I believe you've actually been able to gain value from this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and click on the notification bell too. And if you have questions, you can also ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.
Hello, good day and welcome to Hands in Money Making class.